This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's board my imaginary boat heading to the right bank at 37 Boulevard de la Marne. Yes, we are in front of the Barbey d'Aurevilly College, and it is into the basement of this college that we are going to venture. We will take this staircase in front of us to reach an underground passage, and at the end of this underground passage, which measures 25 meters, we can discover a casemate. A casemate, also called a blockhouse in German or bunker in English, is a partially buried place in a fortified system which is proof against enemy fire. There are mainly two types of casemates. There is the passive casemate intended to shelter a group of soldiers or military equipment, and there is the active casemate, which protects against enemy fire. Here, it is a passive or defensive casemate. But then why can we still find some traces of this casemate under this college? Well, you should know that at the end of the 15th century, there was a great wall which surrounded the Norman capital, and part of this wall was located in the place of the current boulevard de la Marne. Originally, this casemate was located in the open air and allowed soldiers to monitor the wall. Unfortunately, a large part of this wall was destroyed over time. The moat was filled in, and the casemate found itself underground, 5-6 meters under the boulevard de la Marne. Small singularity of the casemate, its proximity to a water source in which lives the nephargus, a small white shrimp, blind and fed on rotten wood. So if you like to discover the hidden places in the basements of Rouen, I recommend that you listen to podcast number 103 on the bunker of the Department's Hotel located on the left bank.